Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to bring you a second heavy bag routine to help develop power in your striking. Now on this routine, you can use Wing Chun techniques and or boxing techniques. But before we get there, I need you to click the boxes to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Have a great day.
Okay, everybody, so the next level bag routine, you have 6 3-minute rounds, ideally a 30-second rest in between each one. So when you're doing this routine, it's based on speed, it's not based on power, but don't sacrifice your technique versus speed. So the first exercise is really simple. I'm going to do it on the right side just for camera angle. Is a jab or a cross. A half step in, jab, cross, half step out. Now if you choose to use Wing Chun punches, that's fine too. Jab. All right, so you got the 2-part. On the left side from here, half step in, left jab, right cross. Coming in, stepping in, jab cross. Stepping in, jab cross. Stay orthodox in this routine. Like I said, I'll demonstrate it on the right just for camera capability. So again, cross. Stepping through, cross. Exercise 1. Exercise 2 is working the uppercut. So I want you in close, right? You can take a front stance, or you can just sit neutral, head down, and just uppercuts into the back. Uppercuts into the back. Remember, this is based on fluidity and not looking at bending the bag in half yet. So this is a 3-minute round. Just get in the hips and body. Or if you choose to take a stance, again, same thing. Make sure you're rotating the hips as you're throwing in shots. Exercise 2. Okay, exercise 3 is just throwing hooks into the body. Again, you can start square on it or pick a stance. From here, again, just you're up close, rotating the hip. So coordinating the hip with the body shot. So again, these are based on speed, not power here. So if you took the orthodox stance, if it's not orthodox, I'm on the right side forward here, I'm going to make sure the hip is coming in. Body shot, body shot, body shot, body shot. Opposite stance, body shot, body shot. So again, speed first on power, making sure you're turning your waist and your hip on every shot. The next exercise is just hook punches to the head. Same thing, we're just moving up the bag here. So again, you can start flat, rotating the hips, rotating the hips. Or you can take the stance, taking that front stance, but once again, in tight, make sure you're rotating the hips as you're throwing these shots. Again, from the flat stance to the head, to the head. Okay, our 5th exercise is the double jab followed by the cross. So a half step in, double jab, and cross. 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 So once again, these exercises are based on speed. You're not looking to drill it. This is good for endurance, developing some shoulder and punching power. So if I pull it on the right, double jab, cross. Stepping in, double jab, cross. Stepping in, double jab, cross. Double jab, cross. Double jab, cross. Okay, our 6th and final exercise in this routine is the double jab, cross, jab, cross. So again, it's a double jab, cross, jab, cross. Onto the bag, that half step comes in with the double jab, cross, jab, cross. Half step up, double jab, cross, jab, cross. Half step in, jab, cross, jab, cross. Half step, double jab, cross, jab, cross. Again, 6 3-minute rounds, 30-second break in between.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.